Attention investors, this is a prime opportunity in Prior Lake. Welcome to 4301 Pleasant Street Southeast, Prior Lake, Minnesota. This property is priced at $285,000 and offers great investment potential. It features 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 940 square feet of living space. This home includes an unfinished basement, providing an opportunity to expand and add value. It is located in a high-demand area, within walking distance of shops, dining, and schools. The spacious yard offers outdoor potential for future improvements. An attached 2-car garage adds convenience and functionality. This home is a fantastic investment in a growing market. Opportunities like this do not last long. For more details or to schedule a tour, contact me today. Visit chantelkrealty.com for more information. Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more investor-friendly opportunities.